Hello everybody, I am Richie Simon from the Department of Social Work, BSSS, and today I will be speaking on Introduction to Casework and Problems Faced by Individuals and Families, Definition, Purpose and Importance of Casework. After going through this video, you will have a basic understanding of casework. You will learn about the types of problems faced by the individuals and families, and you will also discern the purpose and importance of casework. So let's see what is casework. It is one of the primary or direct methods of social work intervention which is applied at the micro level. That is, while using casework, we work with the smallest unit of intervention in social work, an individual or a family. Now, the term social casework was first of all used by Porter R. Lee in the Proceedings of the National Conference of Social Work, 1911, and in the publication The Survey, 1918. Let's see how he defines casework. According to Porter R. Lee, casework is the method of effecting the understanding of the needs, resources, and reactions of the individuals. Let's take a look at some more definitions of casework as given by Mary Ellen Richmond. Casework are those processes which develop personality through adjustments, consciously effected individual by individual between man and their social environment. According to H. Perlman, social casework is the process used by certain human welfare agencies to help individuals cope more effectively with the problems in social functioning. Considering this and various other definitions, it can be concluded that social casework is a method of helping people individually through one-to-one referential, whereby we understand the maladjusted person and rehabilitate them to a healthy social life. Now that we have developed an understanding of what is casework, let us now know the types of problems that are dealt with using casework method. For a better understanding, they are presented here as those faced by the individuals and those faced by families, as these are the units of intervention while we apply the method of casework. So, let's begin with the physical problems. Now, physical problems can be like illness, disability, etc. We also deal with psychological problems like stress, depression, anxiety, etc. or social problems like alcoholism, poverty, unemployment, etc. There are certain problems which even the families might be facing, like marital discord, poverty, alcoholism, drug addiction, whereby not just one member but all the members of the family are affected by the same problem in different ways and in different magnitudes and intensity. Using casework, we also try to work over these problems and build upon the capacities of the families so that they be able to deal with their problems. These problems basically give rise to the need of social casework intervention. So now let's understand the purpose of casework. Casework is practiced to understand and solve the internal problems of the clients and strengthen their ego power. It is practiced to solve or prevent the problems in the social functioning of the client. And it also focuses on development of resources to enhance the social functioning of the client. Now the question becomes why casework is important. It is important as it provides better solution for clients' problems. It helps in identification and usage of means for problem solving. It is helpful in the personality development of the client. Through casework, we can achieve behavioral changes and better adjustment between the client and his environment. Casework can also be used to meet the unmet needs of the client. Casework helps the client to identify problems, not just the problems, but also the opportunities, and it can be used to develop the potential of the client, thereby enabling the client to perform proper social functioning. It can also be used to prevent or alleviate the conditions that may hamper the relationship of the client with his or her family, associates, or environment. Casework can be used to inculcate confidence and worth in the client. At the same time, using casework, we can clarify the doubts of the client and counsel them accordingly. So to summarize today's video, we have learned that casework is one of the primary or direct methods of social work, which is practiced with individuals and families. We got introduced with the types of problems faced by the individuals and the families. And we also understood the purpose, importance, and need of casework. Thank you.